is my first FII, and I'm going to be coming back every year. You know, one of the things I really like is that there are good speakers that become thought leaders. And given the uncertainty in the world, I think it's always good to be connected, right, and hear the different perspectives. Being able to do certain things like that for 10 years, you get to learn with that, right? And some of the content becomes really, really important for some of the local business leaders, right? So we appreciate that FII brings this content in our part of the region.
What did you feel are the biggest investment themes this week?
You know, the live golf is a very interesting topic in the US. And an avid golfer, I always find it interesting that between golf, real estate, and also some of the tech AI initiatives, any conferences you go, AI is going to dominate this space. So I always like that balance of AI and also some of the real estate investment conversation. Those are very, very interesting topics.
The FII has recently published a Future of Work report, which basically outlines how the future will look like with AI, with some entry-level jobs disappearing, with the wages still not following demand and the cost of living. I know you are in tech. How do you feel about the topic?
This is something that not only we get to embrace AI in our workforce and also improve our efficiencies, but also how we bring that capacity for our clients, especially in the government space. So look, here's the thing is that while there are a lot of workflows that becomes efficient as you utilize, you know, whether it's OpenAI, Anthropic, and some of their product that exist, I still believe that there is still a runway to prove that some of the use cases needs to be proved in the production environment. At a time of adversity for the young workforce, they really get to become the native AI workforce where they get to learn these tools faster than anybody else. From a wages perspective, anybody that comes in as an AI native talent, they're gonna command higher wages. If you can do 3 or 4 people's work, you can demand higher wages on that. Now, how the market's gonna pay for those wages, there is a demand and supply capacity that needs to be looked at. But we are, as an organization, high-paying tech organization in that category. So I'm always optimistic on that side. Are there risks to some of the young workforce? Absolutely. You know, but they got to embrace that AI capacity.
We mentioned FII 10 in Riyadh later this year. What would be the theme you would like to focus on while in Riyadh?
You know, one of the things that I want to look at is that we bring our capacity for a number of use cases in the government space. The one that I'm really, really interested in is that the aerospace and that AI capability. I think we're going to see that drone technology and also measuring some of the data and how we bring some of the rare earth minerals that supplies a lot of the lithium battery, that supplies a lot of the drone activities. I'm personally investing in a lot of aerospace companies as well.
I'll let you enjoy your golf now. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.